Hey, what's going on? This is Jeremy at ibl.ai. Today I'm showing you one of our coolest features, the document retrieval feature. Now, what this means is we have this feature that allows the mentors to actually cite directly where they're pulling information from, as well as sharing the specific documents that it pulled information from so that users can then go directly into those documents if they'd like to, get more fuller context, dive deeper into the information or content that they're working with, etc. So in order to show this, I am showing you this mentor that we've created with the George Washington University. The training data that the mentor is using to communicate with students is quite vast, as you can see by these 6 pages of training documents. But the important thing I want to call your attention to is this column right here, visible. You see these little icons right throughout here? What this means is that while they are enabled as visible, the mentor can actually directly cite each one of these documents within its responses to users who are communicating with this mentor. And that can be toggled on or off at any time very easily just by selecting this button. So I'm going to leave that on for now, but just so you can see the actual function in action. That's how we get this, this visibility to work. So in order to show you what that looks like in conversation, we have a couple of potential guided prompts down here that students can use in order to kick off a conversation if they know that they need a little bit of assistance but don't really know where to start. It's also a very easy way to kick off a conversation to show you the features that we are very proud of. So I'm going to ask, what are key epidemiological study designs? And the mentor is going to take a second to digest the question that I've shared with it, pull from the resources that it's been trained on in order to compile a response, and then is going to actually directly cite where it's getting that information. So for this particular answer that the mentor is giving me, these study designs are discussed in Lecture 10 of Professor Quinlan's course. So I'm going to ask, can you explain case control studies in detail? And as I'm doing that, you'll see that the mentor has also pulled up the specific documents that it used to create this question so that students can see with a percentage of accuracy where most of this information is coming from and which course specific content they'll need to pull up in order to dive deeper into that information. And it's going to continuously update as we ask new questions to share the specific documents that it is using to put together its responses for each response. And again, within the response itself, for more information, you can refer to Lecture 11, slides 35 and 36 from Professor Quinlan's course. And that's a very quick shot at the Retrieve Documents feature. Thank you so much for tuning in. And as always, learn more at ibl.ai.